Ukrainian intelligence services were involved in the deadly terrorist attack at the Crocus City Hall concert venue outside Moscow in March, according to Alexander Bortnikov, director of Russia's Federal Security Service, that is FSB. Bortnikov made the statement during a virtual meeting of the National Anti-Terrorism Committee, that is NAC, on Tuesday. The Ukrainian and Western intelligence services are expanding the circle of possible perpetrators recruited to commit high-profile crimes inside Russia, Bortnikov said. He further alleged that Kyiv and its foreign backers are also assisting international terrorist organizations which train and equip those individuals. Bortnikov highlighted the Crocus City Hall attack as a clear example of such activities. The involvement of Ukrainian military intelligence in the terrorist attack at Crocus City Hall near Moscow has been established by us, he emphasized. The March 22 attack on the concert venue claimed 145 lives and left over 550 injured. 4 gunmen stormed the building ahead of a rock concert, indiscriminately shooting attendees before setting the venue on fire. The suspected perpetrators, all citizens of Tajikistan, were detained shortly after the attack while attempting to flee towards the Ukrainian border. Nearly a dozen of their accomplices have since been arrested. A terrorist organization known as Islamic State Khorasan, that is ISIS-K, claimed responsibility for the attack. However, Moscow has suggested that Kyiv used the Islamist group as a proxy. Ukraine has denied any involvement, while Western sources have insisted that all evidence points to ISIS-K as the sole culprit. Since the outbreak of the Ukraine conflict in February 2022, Russian authorities have prevented 134 terrorist and sabotage acts in central Russia, Bortnikov reported. He added that Russian security agencies have intercepted the activities of 32 international terrorist cells, primarily composed of migrants from Central Asia, and thwarted planned attacks on key infrastructure and areas of mass gatherings. Bortnikov's comments underscored the escalating tensions and complex security challenges facing Russia amidst its ongoing conflict with Ukraine and rising terrorist threats.